Hello Tishtile everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys where I can find random stuff in a lowest price. It's starting from 99 cents and all written stuff from Amazon in a good condition, in a very good condition, starting from only 99 cents. Guys, I'm all set to go work, and before going to work just think of give a quick visit to that store, and I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? And let's go. See you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, this is what I wear. I don't know, I call sleeper. I have shoes at work, so what you guys call, I don't know, slipper or shoes. And I reach here at my bus stop. I'm waiting for 5:01, so it will take more 5 minutes. It shows 1 minute to Long Branch. 5:01 ways to Long Branch, so let's see if it's on time. Yes, bus is on time to the Long Branch, so let me get in here. Hey, I just reached here. Fifth Street, I think. Yeah, Fifth Street, Fitness 24/7. Just right here. It's just right here. You can see here. Look. Oh, all the dates, like Saturday starting from 18.99, Monday 12.99, Wednesday 8.99, Friday 2.99, which is tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow as well. Thursday 5.99, Tuesday 10.99, Sunday 15.99. So it's just this one. Anything for 5.99. Let's go. Just like this. Look, you can get anything in a cheap price. What's this? Forgive yourself for making mistake. It's part of growing. Yes, you're right. Okay guys, I'm done with my work and now I'm going back home. So I got some stuff from before, so I'll show you guys when I reach home. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys what I got today. So I got sleepwear. It's a brand new. It was in the pack. I'm the one who removed it. So it's very comfy and nice and soft material. I love it so much. And I got two. It's only for $5.99. It's usually like in Amazon it's $39.99 plus tax. And I got a crib sheet mattress, crib mattress sheet. It's just $5.99 for 2 pieces. Very nice. If I got it from Amazon, it's on $29.99 for 1 piece. So I got 2 pieces for $5.99. And pant, it has a pocket, side pocket and detachable. I love it so much and I got it for $5.99. Please guys, go and visit that store. I have already shown you guys. I'll keep the address and everything in my description if you guys want to go and check out go and check out. If you are looking for something lowest price, if you got what you want, why not just $5.99 or $2.99? Go check it there. I came Jamison to buy something from Indian store. They are closed for some reason and it will open by 5 p.m. Until that, I will wait at my friend place. So see you guys. 아니 내 자동대 하나 배자 쇠샤. ngayo. Teta mani bemo mo nang leo dande te chera ido man bemo yakudo man bemo mani bemo. Teta mo che medo din zo pe ning jo mo chasha snack plant. Bale aloo looks so yummy, but I already had my lunch. Yummy. De mo nang ni chilo view. Ta winter chara din changma kam jore. Din changma kam jore. Da summer ra mo jinde. Te nga rokpa de bottle de test. ngate da lemba plastic ka chichi ge na ka chila na lega do sala ya khamang bu gom da laundry lega chi go ra ani te sha sha go do bottle ka chu ki ne la do do na ya ta po yo ma ra uchi ni okay ani nga da then de mo ni de me la sa ani nga then do do nga lega do go ra pa video test kya ani chala do ni ani pa nang la de la ji sala de 내가 저 추리레 마가지는 추리 말레나스라 레레나 개요 말레스 어디지니 다 레도도 네 거시 탑사가 된다 정말 정비도 야야 여기다 데데데 거팅을 간는데 정비도라 이녀걸리 드링아 아니면 바꿔라 저희 어디 직대 못 당고 거기서 아니 내가 다 보고 삼자 아니 왜라 뭐 상관이나 여기로 거기 들어가서 되게 좀 민도 올랐어 아니 내가 줄이 전에 간지 좀 쓰는 거 내가 전에 좀이다 뭐지 어디 왜라 뭐 선정이 다 링게 바꿔라서 이렇게 돼 मैं अभी पकोड़ा बना रहा है तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ऑनियन डालेगा थोड़ा सा बेकिंग पाउडर डालेगा थोड़ा सा क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है अभी तो मैं आटा से बना रहे थोड़ा सा बेकिंग पाउडर थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट और 1 कप आटा डाल रहे ये इसी में बनेगा ऑनियन पकोड़ा थोड़ा सा टेस्ट आने के लिए MDH गरम मसाला थोड़ा सा डालेगा इसमें क्योंकि आज मैं खाना नहीं बना रही इसलिए पकोड़ा बना लूँ सोचे बस यही डालेगा थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर लेगा अच्छे से ताकि प्याज को थोड़ा सा ये हो जाए आप लोग कैसे बनाते हैं जरूर कमेंट में बता दीजिएगा मैं ऐसे बनाता है इसको अच्छा से मिक्स कर देगा मैं सोचा था 2 अनियन डालेगा क्योंकि मेरा अनियन जो है बहुत बड़ा है तो इसलिए एक ही डालना पड़ा तो इसको छोड़ देते हैं तो अच्छा से मिक्स हो गया है ऐसे करके अब ऐसे छोड़ देगा अभी ये आइसक्रीम का क्यूब है वो यूज करेगा ताकि एक ही साइज हो सके ऐसे करके करना पड़ेगा मैंने क्या क्या पता है ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बनाने के लिए थोड़ा सा धनिया था मेरे पास वो डाल दिया और आटा डाल दिया अच्छा से मिक्स करेगा उसके बाद ये भी पकोड़ा बनाएगा थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा करने के लिए थोड़ा सा कम पड़ गया था 아마 나도 약간 근데 간게 한글에 아니요 지금 아니요 딘슬라고 약간 게 한글에 SB가 진 나오고 나 세필라가 난 말이니 SB 만기는 어디 반잡 거야 오늘 결합이 자 이니 말로 지나 장에 SB가 세핀 핀이 자 있는 만화